Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I have my Heaven panties for this month. This is a subscription for panties, and I get one per month. You can get more than one per month, depending on what you choose. And if you sign up under me, I have a link below. You will get $20, and I will get $20. I do believe that's the way it works. That's for you to spend in the shop, and they have beautiful lingerie in the shop that you can buy, separate from your monthly subscription. So with your subscription, it's valued at $45. The panty is valued at $15 or more. And you do get the store match. For what you spend, you get a match in the store, and you get the complimentary style service and the free shipping. And when you go in the first time, you will answer some questions so that they can decide, you can let them know what your preferences are. And you can change that at any time if you change your mind about something. So I did cut the top of this open. As you can see, no one will know what this is. It's not marked with anything, so no one will know that it's panties. And when you open it up, you get this nice Ziploc bag, and then you get a sneak peek at the color of what's inside. So I am a mature woman and a plus size woman. So I like mostly briefs. Briefs is what I like. But sometimes they don't send me briefs. So these are very pretty. These look like they might be bikinis or maybe a high bikini. Let's see. Really pretty color. Beige. Let's see what they look like. Yeah, it's you get 20 and I get 20 if you sign up under me. So the tag usually will tell you the price, and it is usually $15. So these are very pretty. Yeah, these are like a shorter brief. They're not a real high. Some briefs are higher than others. And these are beautiful. They're like a champagne color. So you see you have coverage in the back where you need it, coverage in the front where you need it, and this beautiful lace on the sides. Isn't that pretty? And I've said it every time I get a pair. I've said it every time. This lace is so soft, so soft. It will not scratch you. It's very, very comfortable to wear these. And there is always cotton where you need it. So they're just silky soft and pretty, and has a little bow in the front there. And when you go in, they are introducing more sizes. What they do is they send you a measuring tape the first time, and so that you can make sure you get the right size. And I end up getting the XXXL. Because of the way they're sized. They run a little small from my experience. So that's why I go up a little bit. So, but they're very pretty, aren't they? Just nice, pretty champagne. Champagne, and there's the back. And, you might think these ride up, but they don't ride up on me. They stay where you put them. So they're very pretty. And I do enjoy getting this subscription. It's very nice. And thank you to Heaven Panty for sending this to me. And they do suggest that you hand wash these, but what I do, and have never had any problem with them, is I wash them with my regular clothes, and then I do not put them in the dryer. I hang them up to dry, just because, I don't want to mess up the lace. But, these are just, they're pretty, and they have a little bit, a little sexy going on with that side of lace. So thank you, Heaven Panties, and thank y'all for stopping by to see my panties. So y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.